guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Moyo. Anyway, if you want to see how I achieve this flat cornrow with extensions, then keep on watching. You guys know this is not my normal film setup, but you know we make things work over here. And it was just some white stuff on my hair. P.S. that's smooth. I just couldn't wait for it to dry and take another video, so I had to do it ASAP. Rocky, you know. So yeah, let's just get straight into the video. So this is me straight out of losing my twist and combing it, obviously. And gosh, see the thickness and the volume of this hair. You people, if you are not following my hair growth series, make sure you follow it. So before I cornrow my hair, I just make sure I moisturize, just so I can retain moisture in the cornrow. And doing that, I'm going to use my conditioner, and then I'll use the oil I made. I deleted the clip for the oil I made, so I was not able to put it in my hair growth series video because I just felt like it was just too much going on, you know. So this is the oil I made. I'm just going to use that. If you guys want the details, let me know in the comments. So I'll just use that to oil my hair so I can retain the moisture from the conditioner and the water and things like that, you know. Yeah, basically. So after that, if you see the scrunchie on my neck, that was because I was going to use it to separate my hair, but something definitely happened. So I'm going to be separating the first part of my cornrow. You people, I always get comments like, oh, how are you able to do your hair yourself, or how are you able to, I wish I was able to do my hair myself, I don't just know how, This first part is just going to show you guys that I am not okay. I think this is when I snapped. I was like, oh shit, you know. So I had to get a rubber band. So as I was saying, yeah, you guys always ask me like, oh, how am I able to do my hair myself, or you wish you could do your hair yourself, things like that. This first part would just be to show you that I am not perfect. I was struggling with stitch braids. Oh yeah, I'm also using my old extension that I use for my box braids. I was struggling with stitch braids. I thought I had to like part it 111. It was just a whole hassle, and I just ended up doing normal cornrows because I wasn't able to do the stitch braids by myself. So this is just my failure part 1. I started by cutting it and trying to weave it, and cutting it again, trying to weave it, and then cut it again and try to weave it. It did not work. So that is just for all of you thinking that it is very easy for me to make my hair myself. I just don't have the money. If I had the money, I'll prefer sitting in a salon and someone will just be making my hair for me, and I won't have to stress. So after my failed attempt, I'm just going to loosen that and then try them normally and see what's up, you know, what's going on here. So for this part, I think what I did was that I parted them and I separated them before I went ahead to actually cornrow it, rather than part and cornrow, part and cornrow, part and cornrow. So I just parted everything first and then I cornrowed everything. And don't forget, I'm using my Shine and Jam, my Eco Styler gel, and every yeah. So I think I'll see you guys later. It's always better for you people to watch than actually see me do shit, you know, than actually see me do this stuff. I feel like I'm cussing too much in this video and it's so unnecessary. Please, my apologies, forgive me. We are still trying to learn basic morals over here. So see you guys when you need an explanation. Okay, I'm sure you guys have noticed by now that I'm weaving in a very weird way. That's because I'm using my hands to cut out the stitch I'm going to use, which is really weird and it did not come out well, but I feel like at this point I just got really tired and I was just like, you know what? Forget the stitch cornrows. We're just going to do normal cornrows because I cannot stress. You cannot stress me. We cannot stress each other. So we go forward in life.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is painted with your name. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
disappeared. I never thought I would see you here.
Try to replace you with somebody out there.
If I didn't chase you, would you even care?
And if I lost my mind, would you come around? I will keep you safe and sound after all this time.